Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. So today's video is all about a pattern transformation, actually two pattern transformations that I've been working on and I want to share with you because I think you will also want to replicate using our bikini pattern top triangle and our bikini bottom pattern Verónica 2.0. For the triangle bikini pattern top, I started with the dotted triangle that we have available on our store. And then I drafted a little bit differently the neckline on the front of the triangle. Then I sewed it on a completely different way because I didn't want to create a channel under the bust. So I ended up having one strap on the back and one strap on the front, one very long strap on the front. But if you want to learn how to transform also our bikini pattern top triangle into this one that you are seeing here, you just need to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end, till you have your pattern transformation on paper and then learn how to sew it. For bikini bottom pattern Verónica 2.0, I only added straps, very thin straps that go to the waist and are higher than your natural hip already from the V-shape bikini bottom pattern Verónica. You can do the straps adjustable using a strap adjuster, but I actually have measured myself and used no strap adjusters and did it to myself with my own measurements. Well, but you also can check what we have done with the pattern and how to sew it on our sew along. I hope you really like it and I would love to see your own transformations. See you soon, girls. Bye!